Grade 3. I'm your English teacher from Allied School. Today I'm going to start the next lecture of English Oxford. So open your book at page number 50. Unit 10, Lesson 1. Complete the conversation by circling the correct verb. Parveen, hello Saira, come in, it's nice to see you again. Shall I get you a cold drink? Saira, yes please, I would love one. Parveen, what may we do? Shall we go outside? Saira, good idea. Then we can play a game. Parveen, what time do you have to go? My grandmother and grandpa might come to supper, so I must be home before 7 o'clock. Parveen, we have got lots of time. I'll show you my new bicycle. Students, now in exercise 2, circle the correct word to complete the sentences. Don't put the ice in the sun or it will melt. When we put the ice in the sun, it melts. You may make bricks from dash and water, earth. All lakes and rivers have fresh water in them. When you boil water, you get steam. You freeze food if you put it in the fridge. If you want to put out a bonfire, throw some dash onto it, water. Listen to your teacher and write. I have taken this from page 111. You can also check from there. 12th February, 28th September and 15th of August. Write the numbers of these sums, then do the sums and say the answer. 129 plus 31. You have to add and write here the answer. 712 plus 118. Add here and write here the answer. 317 minus 106. Students, subtract 106 from 317 and write here the answers. 999 minus 463. Write here answer. Now open page number 51. Unit 10, lesson 2. Match the sentences halves, then make other sentences using your own words for those in italics. Example is, if those shoes are too tight, don't buy them. I need a bigger skirt because this one is too tight. Their flat wasn't big enough, so they bought a bigger one. I can't wear these trousers because the legs are too long. If your tea is too hot, put some more milk in it. If you are too hot, put the fan on. Now write questions for these answers. Students, here are the answers written. You have to make the questions for these answers. For example, I usually get up at 7 o'clock. You have to make the question for this answer. What time do you usually get up in the morning? Answer is, I usually have bread and jam and milk for breakfast. Question, you have to write, what do you usually have for breakfast? How do you usually go to bus? What do you usually play in the park? Where do you usually go on Sundays? When do you usually go to bed? Students, how to make tea in the British way. Complete the instructions using the given word. This is your task. This is your homework. You have to complete it by yourself. Here are the words written in this box. Grade 3, now open your English grammar book at page number 50, lesson 17, adverbs. Adverbs tell us how the action is done. You have already learned the words which tell us how, when and where an action is done are called adverbs. The dog barked loudly. How the dog barked loudly is the adverb. When it's raining now. He is sitting outside. Outside is the adverb. Sometimes we use two words to describe an action. The dog barked very loudly. It is raining very heavily. Now read the following sentences. Circle the pair of adverbs in your notebook. One has been done for you. The old man is walking up the hill very slowly. The little boy watched the worm crawl into the soil very patiently. The crow flew very quickly to the tree. He looks very tired after the exercise. Now copy the sentences in your notebook. Choose words from the list to complete the sentences. Sonny watched the expensive crockery very carefully. The judge listened the old woman's story quite patiently. The angry mob protested rather loudly. The cat looked extremely pleased with herself after killing the mouse. Now on page number 51, complete the sentences by choosing the correct adverb pair. The lion roared very loudly when he felt a rat moving on his body. The queue was moving rather slowly towards the ticket window. Once we shift to our new house, we will be able to meet more often. Nancy ran rather fast for her age and won the first prize. Now in the extended exercise, read the passage, make it more interesting by adding either an adverb or pairs of adverbs. Copy it into your notebook, write all the adverbs in red color. It was getting dark. The woods were very dark and gloomy. Cherry felt very scared. He had often heard that robbers came out of the trees and after dark and attacked passengers by. You have to write these adverbs in the red color.